All right, you ready to move on? 1136. I have good news. The first 20 pages are just a lot of fun using your graphing calculator. You're going to learn all kinds of new features, punching numbers into lists, and then pressing buttons to see them graph. And then the really cool thing is that even though it takes the data and creates the graph, it can also figure out what the equation of the graph is, which is really cool. They call that regression. And so you're going to have some fun with that. Some of it's a little tedious, and if you make a mistake, you might have to go back and see what step you missed in following the procedures on the calculator. But you'll get some practice doing that and get more comfortable with it, okay? And then once you learn the procedure, obviously you're just applying it to the next several problems all the way through the checkups on page 19 and 20. And then there is a fun section towards the end of this series of pages where you're graphing like sine times the cosine and seeing where they intersect, and determining if two graphs are the same, maybe just different ways of saying the same thing. We call that an identity. And you use your calculator to look at the pictures to see if the graph ends up being the same. So again, a lot of graphing stuff in this section. There's really not much, I don't think there's anything I need to teach. Hopefully you'll find this section to be easy, all right? And then I think after the checkup, we'll have to get together and talk about the next sections. I had one student in particular who's emailed me several times saying that the last section of the PACE is really challenging. So we want to take a look at that and dive in with some videos later in PACE 1136. But go ahead, get started, and have some fun on this new PACE.